The import range function can be used to bring data from another Google Sheet file. For example, I have this Google Sheet here and I have this data in it, and I want to take this data, I want to bring it into this sheet here. To do this, I can use the import range function. So I'll just do that, equals import range. Then the first part of the first argument in the function is the spreadsheet URL. So I have to go here to get the URL of this spreadsheet. I will just copy the link, and then that link must be in double quotation, so I'll just paste it. Then the next argument is the cell reference where the data is in this spreadsheet. Here the data is from A1 to column A1 to H, column H, and then row 2999. So I'll just go here. That must also be in double quotation. I'll just type A1 then H2999 as the reference. I'll close the double quotation bracket and then enter. Now we have an error here first because I need to grant access. So I'll just go here and then allow access, and then I'll see my data very soon. So now this is the same data that is in this spreadsheet, and I've been able to take it into this other spreadsheet. Now let's assume that this data grows maybe daily or hourly and all of that, and then I don't want to come here to always modify this formula. Instead of specifying the row number here, I can just delete that and just have column A to H, and then this way we'll still have the same result because data has literally not changed. But this way, if any new data is added to this data set, it will immediately reflect in this one. Now you can see that even though we have 3 spreadsheets in this particular workbook here, the data imported is only that of this first spreadsheet. So what if I want to get data from this second spreadsheet? Then the second argument of this function needs to be modified, and then this part that contains the cell reference must contain the name of the exact name of the worksheet that the data needs to be extracted from. So let's just do that in sheet 2 here, equals import range, and then I have to input the URL, comma, and then now the cell reference, which must contain the name of the spreadsheet, that's pivot table, and then that name must be followed by exclamation mark followed by the cell reference. I want to get data from cell A1 to B20. And then this is the data from the second tab of the spreadsheet. In my next video, I will explain how you can combine import range with query function to create a report in Google Sheets. Thank you.